Hello and welcome to Bravo Charlie's. Here sometimes we cook, sometimes we unbox things, review them, and check them out. Really great products. And today I have a really cool set of knives from Dalstrong that I'm very excited to open. If that sounds interesting to you, stick around for the whole video. Okay, so Dalstrong, and I'll put a link right here, is a great brand of kitchen knives, and my fiance Giovanna first bought this for me a couple years ago for my birthday, and this is a Santoku blade, and I did a video on this comparing it to a Chicago cutlery knife, and this is by far superior. I've kept this in my kitchen in the original box for the past couple years. Love using it, and this year for my birthday, Giovanna surprised me with the full set. This is the Gladiator series, this Santoku blade, and for my birthday, she surprised me with the entire set. So I'm very excited to open this. It's been sitting in this wrapping since she gave it to me, mainly because I haven't had a chance to shoot a video, and I really wanted to share this with you guys prior to opening this package. So let's cut right into this. That set aside. Okay, so this is not an inexpensive brand of knife. It's not the most expensive. I'd say you get what you pay for, and this is a very good brand. You're not going to find this in Kohl's or Walmart or any place like that. This set of knives is very special. I've enjoyed using that Santoku blade for quite a while, and can't wait to get in here and show you guys. But this brand of knife, high quality, stays sharp, great handles. This thing is wrapped or packaged very well. Dalstrong Gladiator series block set. This does come with the butcher block knife, the knife holder, the block set. A little bit of paperwork in the box. And let's turn this up. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so we got multiple boxes here. This is just extra. Set that down out of the way. Okay, let's get this butcher block open. This is packaged very nicely. Okay, so here we go. Wow. This is going to look really nice here in the cabin, this woodwork. Okay, so there you go. Solid wood with slots for the knives there. I mean, this is beautiful. Really nice. Okay, so let's set that aside and get into the knife container. Okay, here we go. So, blade number one is a nice utility knife. Dalstrong Gladiator series premium high carbon German steel. It has a nice wooden handle on it. Very durable looking. And let's put that, let's see, we'll put that one right there. We have a serrated utility knife, and they have their emblem, their little logo. You won't be able to see this on the camera, but their little logos on the center rivet there. Let's put that in there. The sharpener, it's very heavy too. Put that right there. Okay, we have a little paring knife here. I find this is one of the main go-to knives that I use in the kitchen, is a little paring knife like this. We have 4 more knives to go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, here's our serrated bread knife. And this is not like, here, I have a basic, heck, I don't even know where I got this from, just a basic bread knife right here that I've been using for the past few years. Compared to this is like night and day. This is beautiful. It's balanced, it has weight to it, the handle is nice, the wood, the grain, everything about it is beautiful. Let's put it right there. Let's get this other piece of crap out of here because I won't be using that anymore. Here's a nice big chef's knife. Put that, I believe we're going to put that, yep, that fits right there. A carving blade, a carving knife. Carving turkey, chickens, beef, roast, all that kind of stuff. Very, very nice. And now, the best knife of the set, which this will be identical to what I already have, but that's okay, you can have 2 of them. Here is the Santoku blade that comes with this knife set. In fact, it looks a tad different than the other one I have. Or maybe just my eyes are deceiving me. Nope, same thing. Same blade. But now I have 2 of them. And they feel identical. So there we go. So in this set, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 knives, paring knife, 2 utility knives, a serrated bread knife, a carving knife, a Santoku blade, and a chef's blade, along with the sharpening tool. And now I have my spare Santoku blade as well. And thank you for joining me for another episode of Bravo Charlie's. I'll have all the links in the description below. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this content. Hit subscribe, come back for new videos, and we'll see you next time at Bravo Charlie's.